Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create scrolling video effect using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we need to create a video collage using Inshot. I'm going to click on the Inshot application and I'm going to create a new project first. And I'm going to add blank clip to my project. Okay, and now it's time to create video collage. I'm going to create collage with 3 videos. I'm going to go to the PIP and add the first video to my project. For the first video, I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and we can arrange the video here. Okay, I'm just going to zoom in like this and I'm going to add the second video. I'm going to choose this one. I'm just going to pick random video from my gallery to make it faster. Okay. Alright, and after this, we're going to save this video collage. I'm gonna click on the check mark and I'm just going to click on export. But wait, I'm going to adjust the position first. Okay, now it's time to save this video guys. I'm going to click on export and I'm just going to choose this resolution. Okay, and then you can create your second video collage. I have just created guys, so I'm just going to use the video I have just created. I'm going to click on create new project and I'm going to add my first video collage, this one. Okay, and then I'm going to add the second video collage. Okay, and I'm going to click on this icon to fit the screen like this. Okay, and now it's time to add keyframe to our video. We can click on the first video and at the start of the video we can tap on the keyframe, add the keyframe to the start of the video, and then you can add keyframe again here, and then you can scroll the video until it's almost out of frame like this. Okay, and for the second video, tap on that and then you can go to the end of the video. Wait, I'm just going to cut it. Okay, tap on keyframe and go back to the first part, add the keyframe again, and you can scroll down until it's almost out of frame and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create scrolling video effect on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.